In this video we're going to have a look at an oscilloscope, and we're going to use the oscilloscope to try to measure and describe an AC voltage. That AC voltage we're then going to pass through what we'll call a transformer, and we're going to see how that transformer works. So this is the oscilloscope. At first all we see is a single bright light in the middle of the screen. But we can apply a voltage to drag that dot across the screen like this. That's slow, that's faster, and as we go faster and faster, so it appears as a straight line. So what use is that? Well, here's our AC supply. It's on 2 volts at the moment, and if we plug the 2 volts in, like so, then we see our alternating voltage. And this can tell us both the size, it can tell us information about the frequency of that AC supply, and so on. So what about our transformer? Well, here we have a coil. It's got 500 turns. We'll put it on this soft iron core. And here is another coil, 1000 turns, and we put it on the other section of that block, or soft iron core. Now, as it stands, there is no electrical connection between these two coils. So we're going to connect up the AC supply, the same AC supply we saw displayed there, to the coil, and we'll see what then happens.